Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is the unbagging of the Ice Cream Beauty bag. I'm very excited. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. If you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And of course, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of the new videos that I upload. Okay guys, I am so excited about this month's bag because of a product. It's a brand that I love very much so. If you know me, you know me. And if you watch my channel, you know we've been getting this particular brand in this bag for a while now, which I'm very excited. So I'm very excited. I want to show you the pigments that I have add on. So we get 3 eyeshadow pigments for these duochrome, multichrome pigments that they came out in June. And we have this shade, which is really pretty. We have the purple shade, which I like very much. I like purple anyway. And of course, we have the pink one. Now, FYI, I did get last month's eyeshadow pigments, these 3 shades. So last month's was this bright cream with yellow shimmer in it. We have the dark green with the gold shimmer. And then we have the blue with like a silverish blue, gold in it. So which is nice. There, we got that out of the way. Right. Okay. Now for that. Okay, I'm very excited for this one. Like I said, I'm very excited because we get Beauty Creations, but we also get the Beauty Creations Rosie McMichael Liquid Chrome Trio, and it costs $25. So that's what comes in. So it's great to see Beauty Creations, more Beauty Creations, because I love Beauty Creation, number one. But also getting more of the collab ones, which I do like. So this is what it looks like. I can actually take this off my wish list that I have. So it comes with 3 different shades, and we have it Nins or Ends Faith, Unexpected, and Win. So these are really pretty. I do like these. I'm definitely gonna keep these. I've been eyeing this for a while, and now I finally got it in my hands. That's what I love about subscriptions, and I love about beauty, ice cream beauty a lot because I can just mark off my mark off the products I want on my wish list. Same with it, so I do the same thing. So I'm just mark that off, mark that off. Okay, the next one is it's a Trend Beauty, and this is called Summer Vice Palette, and this one costs $10. Now, they didn't come with a shrink wrap or anything like that, which is yeah. But let me show you. But this is not something I'm going to keep. For 8 shades for 10, no. That's not a really good deal for me. Not when it comes into like this size of a palette. When it comes into this size of palette, I was expecting more more shadows in this, but not 8. I like the name, and does give you summer vibes, but I want to see more shadows, especially this size. It's not something I'm going to keep, because I feel like I already have these shades in my collection one way or the other. The next one, we have the Blue Base Cosmetics Spring Blush. This one has shrink wrap, but I'm not going to open it at all because like these, there's no point of just that. But it's costs $25. So this whole bag totals is $60, which is not bad for it. So $60, not bad. You got Beauty Creations, which can go up depending on what it is. But I think the highest forever for Beauty Creations maybe is $25. I could be wrong. Just saying. Okay, so $60, and we're going to subtract $12.50 on that, and we save 47.50 on this bag. So we save a lot of money on this. Tell the truth, that's a great price of saving. But yeah. So the only 2 things I'm not going to keep is the palette, of course, and the blush. Like I said, the blush was just, I don't understand brands like that. To me, that's just a waste of packaging and material, technically, or 8 shades, truthfully. So I was thinking size of this palette. I was thinking, oh, there could be like 16, maybe 12 if it's laid out, or 16. or 24. I might be nitpicking on Trim Beauty, but yeah. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.